How to get Battle Fortress in Last Z survival shooter. Now in this quick video, I'm going to provide you additional information for you to be able to get the Battle Fortress in Last Z survival shooter. Now before we go ahead and pull up the application, ensure that you're currently using the latest version of the app so you will have this kind of skin or feature. Now there's actually no tips and tricks on doing this. Battle Fortress is actually an upgrade or a skin that how your headquarters will look like. Just simply hit on your headquarters and choose on upgrade. So as you can see, I'm not yet able to access all the skins available on Last Z Shooter because there is an actual cap limit for you to be able to have access on those skins. So all you have to do is to go at the upper left portion of your screen or your profile, and this is going to be the status of your current account. This is going to be your level, your power, and kills. Now, to get Battle Fortress skin in Last Week Survival Shooter, you must achieve 8 million total power within the first 7 days of starting your account, so you can purchase it and use it, change your headquarters accessory. And that is how you get Battle Fortress in Last Z Survival Shooter.